Alright, so we got a 2002 Jaguar. I opened the hood and my heart almost fell down. The Jaguar came off. The hood ornament. I mean, this is like what makes the car what it is, right? The Jaguar ornament, hood ornament. So, oh man, I want to fix this. So I pulled out. Hold on a second. I pulled the bottom out. This is the bottom from the hood. So this was up in there. I pulled it out. I said, all right, so it's got the cable. The cable goes right through that hole. So I went and got some cable. My boy's cable, he said he's almost gonna throw it away. Didn't have no use for it. So I tied the cable to the end like this. What I'm gonna do with this is I'm just gonna take off the old. This is the old. And I'm gonna put this through the bottom here and then make a knot at the end. Let's see how it looks. Alright, that's it. I took the end of the old wire and just tied the new wire to the end to hold it. And that's it, man. Now I'm going to snip these wires, these excess wires, right? No one's really ever going to know. So there you have it. Don't let it break your heart. Don't let it break your heart. That bad boy came off. All right, guys, girls, be good.